I'm sorry, but this is just... Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna be trying out the new Huda Beauty Naughty eyeshadow palette. So I picked this up during the Sephora VIB event last week and I could not wait to try it out. Obviously I used it today. You guys will get to see that look. This palette is really different than anything I've seen in terms of the way the shadows look. These shadows are very aesthetically pleasing to just look at. They look so different, so pretty, and I know a lot of you guys were curious about them because they just look so different. The colors that got the most attention, in my opinion at least, the ones that I got a lot of questions about when I showed this on Instagram, was this color right here called Slippery. Wait, can you guys see that? Okay, so this color right here called Slippery is the one that I got the most questions about when I posted this palette on Instagram, rightfully so, because it looks so different. It's like, what is that? So it looked like little red blood cells, but it's a very different, it's not really an eyeshadow, it's more like a gloss color, like a colored gloss. So you could add it over your eyeshadow to make you have a nice glossy eyelid, which is really popular. So it's definitely a little different. I did swatch it a little bit in the video, but I'll show you guys a more in-depth swatch, I guess. So I'm just gonna really rub my finger in here. All right, you guys can kind of see it. Let me just do a little swatch here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really glossy. It looks really glossy. It almost looks like a wet liquid pigment, but the color is really beautiful. So I feel like I did a lot of talking just now and I'm sorry about that. But anyways, if you want to see me use the palette and do my makeup, keep on watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and join our family. We would love to have you here. Give me a thumbs up on this video, comment down below your favorite shade in the palette, and I'll see you in the video. So I'm using the e.l.f. primer today. This is just the Poreless Putty primer. It's the original one. So I'm gonna just use a little bit of this on my T-zone and on my forehead. I actually wanted to try the Huda Beauty foundation since I am using the new palette, and I wanted to try it a little bit different today because some of you guys recommended that I try it with a setting powder under it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today, just to see how it's going to perform with a setting powder. I'm talking about this foundation in case you didn't know which one I was talking about. I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier powder and just prime my face with it. I'm just gonna put this wherever I get the most shiny, which is like in my T-zone mainly. I'm just gonna press this in. I literally just drank some espresso so I can be up right now because it's 11 o'clock at night. So the powder does help mattify my face. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the foundation and I need to find a brush. And I'm just gonna take a brush and start applying this to my face. I feel like this foundation is either like a really big hit or a really big miss in terms of like other reviews I've seen. People either really love it or they really just hate it. So that's pretty much what I've been seeing when it comes to the foundation. So for concealer, I'm gonna try this Laura Mercier concealer. I feel like this is a new shade because I don't remember there being a 5W, and that's what this shade is called. Yeah, this definitely looks different. It looks a lot warmer than the neutral shades I was using from them, and I kind of like this color a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this in and see how it looks like once it's blended, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face. We're gonna blend this. Okay, Flawless Fusion. This is beautiful. I think this concealer looks really good. I'm gonna add a little bit more. You guys know I like to do 2 layers. Oh, whoa. We're gonna use the Fenty powder, and I'm gonna just set under my eye.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old good.
So I'm gonna prime my eyelid with the same concealer. I'm just gonna go under my brow with it, and then we're gonna just drag it down to the eyelid.
And now that you're gone,
So I'm gonna just blend it. I'm gonna use this little brush to blend it.
I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be.
I'm gonna take some of the Fenty powder and just go over the concealer so that it doesn't crease as much, because my eyelids get pretty oily, and I just want to do that real quick. I know some people don't set their concealer, but I definitely have to. If I do not set this, I will have creasing in 0.0 seconds. Period. So it's time for what you've been waiting for, the Naughty palette from Huda. So these are the colors in the palette. They just look so pretty. I love these colors, you guys. Oh my gosh, these are so perfect. Wow. I want to show you guys a few swatches, not all the colors, just the ones that look really interesting, I guess. Like, for example, Slippery, this color down here, I feel like this is definitely the most interesting color in the palette. Oh, it's very slippery, very interesting. Is that even a color? Oh, interesting. It's like a jelly, like wet color. This is very different. I don't even know what kind of formula this is. 18 eyeshadows, 5 ready to wear layer textures, 8 velvet, 1 sheer pearly gloss hybrid. That must be that pearly gloss hybrid, because it's definitely different. Wow. And it also says 1 matte cream marble. So one of the marbles is a matte cream, which is definitely this one. I can tell it looks a little like a cream. This one right here. So let me swatch it. Ooh, this looks really nice. This is called Passion, and this is it here. It looks really pretty, very multi-dimensional. They all kind of look, you know, multi-dimensional, all the shimmers. So next I'm gonna swatch Flower Power, which is this one right here. I just want to swatch the cool looking ones. This looks so cool. Wow. Oh, this is so pretty. The camera cannot pick this up, but this has a lot of like action going on. Like, it's not just a regular gold. It has a lot of dimension to it. I'm gonna do Provocative, which is down here, this cool one, and I'm gonna put that right here. Ooh, this is pretty too. These are definitely very different. Let's try Hard. It's like a brown marble. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna start with Arouse, which is this one right here, and just start blending. Oh, this is beautiful for the crease. These colors excite me, like these types of shades right here, because they're just so perfect for blending out, making your crease look really smoky. Like, these colors are perfect for that. I'm really into this color. Like, there are so many pretty colors in this palette. Like, I don't even know where to go next. I think I'm gonna use Jasmine is malfunctioning. Okay, I think I'm gonna use Naughty. So we're gonna just put that right over it.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat.
Okay, Huda did not come to play, baby. For my eyelid, I'm gonna start with Irresistible, which is this shade. It's like a creamish color.
Baby,
Oh wow, this is beautiful.
get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and
Like, are you kidding me?
night. Get Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things.
I'm sorry, but this is just so pretty.
Be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of.
Okay, so we're gonna use this shade right here, Provocative. It's very similar, it kind of combines the two shades I used, so I figured it might be a nice transition color. Yeah, it's really pretty. I'm gonna go back into this one and just blend a little bit. I'm gonna use some of Spicy, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of that here. So I'm gonna use Arouse once again for my lower lash line.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
And then I'm gonna use Spicy.
Love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things.
I'm gonna take this black eyeliner and I'm gonna apply this.
We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be.
I am all the way here for this eye look. I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna actually take another color and do my inner corner with it. I'm gonna use Please Me, which is right up here in my inner corner. It's kind of like a purple toned beige color, and I feel like it would be perfect for this particular look. Yeah, that looks pretty. I love this eye look. Perfect for the holidays. It's amazing. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna try the Charlotte Tilbury mascara for the first time. I actually want to do a video where I show you guys like all the products I got in the Sephora haul.
Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third, then the rest of it.
This mascara is low-key really good. Okay, Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte, I see you. If a mascara can get my bottom lashes to look like this, like something is happening, okay? Like, so I'm gonna use my Benefit Huda Toasted bronzer to just give myself some dimension.
Morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love.
So I'm gonna use my Milani highlighter and just apply, why did I just say that? Apply a little bit to my cheek. That is definitely not a little bit, girl. Like, what? Don't lie to the people. I'm gonna take my sponge and go over that because I did not mean to use that much. Like, that is a lot. Okay. And then I'm gonna use my brush. I'm gonna just squeeze it in to my nose. I'm gonna do a little spritz of this setting spray, which is supposedly really good. Everyone raves about this spray. They're saying it's literally magic in a bottle. So I am very curious to see how it works. I'm gonna use these lashes today. These are from Kiss and they are the Max Out lashes in Chic. I've never used these before, but they look really good. So I was like, let me try these. And they were at the drugstore. I don't know if you heard about this little pencil thing, but I have been loving this thing. This is a lash glue pencil, lash glue eyeliner, and I think it's really good. You literally just apply it right away. I'm using this Makeup Forever lip liner, and this is in Limitless Brown.
Things I
Then we're going to use one of the Maybelline Lifter glosses. This one is in the shade Petal. I'm going to take a little bit of my Makeup Forever powder and I'm just going to dust this on my forehead. And down here. This, I forgot to get this in this sale. I wanted to get another shade and I completely forgot. Wow. Go me. Wait, let me fix my hair. So this is the entire look. I think this palette is amazing. The colors in this palette are so pretty. They're very different from what I've seen and they just really look amazing. The colors are very unique. The way they look, the design is just really, really beautiful and different. I love these shades. They are perfect for the holiday season. Honestly, they're perfect for like all winter. The formulas may be similar to other shadows you've tried before, but the shades, like the way the aesthetic is definitely very different and I love it. This is something that I would have on my Christmas list if I didn't have it already because I love it that much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up on it. I will do more looks with this palette in the holiday season coming up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.